Are you seeking personal transformation and growth? Have you ever wanted to unlock the power of your subconscious mind to manifest your desired reality?
Then you should consider harnessing the power of the Vortex. The Vortex is a powerful tool for personal transformation, helping you to access the quantum field and unlock your potential.
In this video, we will explore the many ways that you can use the Vortex to boost your immunity, achieve unity, and improve your future through repetition and gratitude. We will also discuss the power of the placebo effect and how to manifest desired experiences. By the end of this video,
you will have the tools and knowledge you need to start your journey of personal transformation and self-improvement.
In today's world, it is easy to become overwhelmed by the amount of information that we are constantly bombarded with.
Our analytical minds are trained to anticipate and predict what will happen next, which can prevent us from embracing new possibilities. This resistance towards change often leads to stagnation and a lack of progress. However, there are ways that we can boost our immune system in ways that are more effective than a flu shot.
One way that people can boost their immunity is by elevating their state of consciousness.
When people are in a state of heightened awareness, their immune system is better prepared to fight off infections. Additionally, increasing levels of immunoglobulin, the body's primary defense against bacteria and viruses, has been shown to be effective in boosting immunity. As more people wake up to new information, it causes the energy around us to change, which leads systems that were once stable become chaotic and unpredictable, prompting novel ideas, unraveling systems, and causing a great shift moving forward. In short, embracing possibility is crucial for progress and growth,
something that our analytical minds often prevent us from doing. Unity is an important principle in any movement or endeavor.
It's what allows us to stand together and fight against common enemies, like the tyranny of the state or the burning desire of greed.
Unity is also what makes us more resilient to predators, and it's something that we need more of in our current political climate. In order to achieve unity, we must first understand what emergence is. Emergence is a principle in biology that teaches us that when we come together, it gives the appearance of something bigger than ourselves and makes us more resilient to predators.
This is because emergence creates new possibilities that weren't there before we came together. For example, when humans come together and form groups, they are able to form social hierarchies and alliances that weren't possible before. This increased resilience allows us to survive harsher conditions and better defend ourselves from predators. Now is not a time for sacrificing our lives for the truth. Rather, this is a time for living for it, where individuals focus their energy on transforming fear into courage and judgment into empathy for one another.
We cannot rely on any one leader, but instead need everyone to take collective action and lead in order to build strong relationships based on unity through understanding each other's unique
experiences. Instead of focusing on surface-level differences like race or religion,
now is the opportunity for people of all backgrounds to come together with an open mind and heart in order to coexist peacefully despite our individual differences.
And with enough people moving towards this goal, eventually unity will be achieved. Separation is often thought of as a negative thing, making people more dependent on medical treatments and pharmaceuticals. However, this belief is wrong. In some cases, separation can actually help to empower people. The placebo effect is a well-known phenomenon in which the power of suggestion, i.e., what we believe, can affect our physical reality.
In other words, if we believe that we are taking something real, like a sugar pill, then in some cases our body will actually respond as if the pill was actually effective. This placebo effect has been proven time and time again, both in medical settings and beyond.
For example, studies have shown that giving someone a sugar pill every day is effective in treating depression and pain relief.
Additionally, elevated emotions of optimism, possibility, and inspiration can help to create a sense of well-being by changing the state of being. This makes sense. When we feel good emotionally, our body tends to heal itself better than when we are feeling down or depressed. So, whether you're looking for an alternative to pharmaceuticals or just want to feel happier overall, consider giving placebo treatments a try.
Have you ever heard the saying, practice makes perfect?
Well, it might not be quite as simple as that. In fact, the placebo effect, which is basically when participants in a study report feeling better after taking a placebo, has been studied extensively. And the results are interesting. The placebo effect occurs when participants in a study are given a substance yet still report feeling better after taking it. Over a period of several weeks, this amount of practice leads to lasting changes in one's state, being frame of mind.
The placebo effect repeated practice enhances emotional embodiment. Per se, study found that over time, participants' emotional embodiment, the experience of emotions as physical sensations, increased based on their levels of dedication and commitment to practicing the placebo effect. What does this mean for you? It means that it's important to remember that results are not instantaneous and require repeated practice and dedication to make lasting changes in one's state, being, frame of mind. By installing new neurological hardware through learning and repetition, you can prepare yourself for experiencing the truth of your learning intellectually, leading up to embodying it emotionally via chemical reactions triggered by feelings such as limitless, gratefulness, or abundance. We all know the saying, actions speak louder than words. While this is certainly true, it's not the only thing that matters. Our genetic destiny and repeated actions are also important in the manifestation of our future. By changing our genetics and repeating the same action over and over again, we can condition ourselves to know how to do things better than our minds alone can understand, making it second nature for us. One of the main challenges that we face as humans is that oftentimes, when attempting to manifest a certain outcome in life, our senses can play tricks on us, creating a feeling of separation between what we desire and what is present in that moment.
This creates hesitation, fear, or doubt, all emotions which can prevent us from achieving our goals.
Rather than focusing on the lack or absence of something desired, one should focus on appreciating what already exists within their reality.
Gratitude becomes the emotional signature needed to prove this appreciation has already taken place within oneself.
When you live your life with these three principles in mind, genetics, repetition, and gratitude, you are setting yourself up for a successful future. The sky is the limit. What lies ahead of us is always a mystery, and that's part of the beauty of life. However, with the power of mindful intention, we can start to create our desired future in earnest.
By taking a step back and looking at things from a different perspective, we can start to manifest our dreams and goals into reality.
People often think about the future in terms of what they don't want. What could go wrong? However, by focusing on what we do want, we can create a future that is both fulfilling and positive. When it comes to our lives, our state of mind dictates how well things will go. Some people approach life with negativity, dwelling on their problems from the past instead of looking forward towards what lies ahead.
This negative mindset limits your ability to manifest your desired future and creates more stress in your life. Instead, approach life with an attitude of optimism. You are capable of anything. When you focus on your positive intentions for the day ahead, you will start to attract positive experiences into your life. Even if you don't realize it at first,
the key is to remain emotionally connected to our future. as opposed to trying too hard to control it or waiting for it to happen magically. With mindful intention, anything is possible. We often think about the past and our destiny, what it means for us and our future. This type of thinking can lead to negative emotions such as unhappiness, fear, and worthlessness. Conditioning is a process by which an image or emotion is associated with a stimulus response within our brains and bodies. In order to be able to create in the present moment, we must learn how to take all of our attention away from our body and become nobody, divorcing ourselves from distractions such as phones, computers, cars, and people that have emotions associated with them. This process may be challenging due to its strong conditioning over a long period of time. However, learning this will bring us closer towards positively creating for our futures. So what does this mean for you? It means that you can break the chains of the past by learning how to create in the present moment. By doing so, you will free yourself from feelings of unhappiness,
fear, and worthlessness, all things that are often bound in your past. When you learn how to create in the present moment, you will open yourself up to new opportunities and experiences that would never have been possible if you were stuck on repeat mode. In order to create the life that you want, it is important to move away from familiar past and present moments.
This allows you to access the immaterial realm of the quantum field, which has been found to be a powerful tool for manifesting desired experiences. Through research, it has been found that by moving away from familiar moments and into a state of pure consciousness, one is able to access the immaterial realm of the quantum field.
This realm is home to all of existence, including your future self. When you combine a clear intention with an elevated emotion while feeling connected, you are able to create from this place instead of needing to go anywhere else for it.
The vibrational match between your energy and some future reality draws the experience directly to you.
Due to collapsing space and time, something much more fun than having to seek out experiences yourself.
By accessing this power within yourself, you can create anything that you desire, no matter how impossible it may seem at first. So friends, the power of personal transformation is something that we all possess.
By using the Vortex to access the quantum field and unlock our potential, we can boost our immunity, achieve unity through emergence and collective action,
and improve our future through repetition and gratitude. With these tools in hand, we can create a life full of possibility that brings us joy and peace no matter what obstacles come our way. So let's get out there and start transforming ourselves today. God bless you all.